Hi, my name is Zach Trayor, and this is my ECS 1021 automated plant watering project. My Java program communicates with an Arduino running Fermata to read moisture values from a soil sensor. Real-time moisture levels are displayed on the OLED down below, and the system decides whether to water based on sensor readings. For example, when the soil is dry, the pump turns on, watering the plant automatically. I'm also using an array list to track the graph moisture values over time using a JFree chart. I've tested voltage scaling and system behavior using JUnit to verify functionality. This project demonstrates sensor integration, event-driven control, and Java to hardware communication. Now let's look at how the system works. Every few seconds, the Java program reads the soil moisture using the sensor connected to the growth board. The raw analog value gets converted into a voltage, which represents how dry or wet the soil is. If the soil is dry, the pump turns on and waters the plant. If the soil is already wet enough, the pump stays off. This logic is handled by an event-driven statement machine. Meanwhile, all the moisture data is stored in an array list and graphed in real time using JFreeChart, so I can visualize how the moisture level changes over time. This is my automatic plant watering system written in Java. At the top, I import Fermata 4J, which lets Java communicate with Arduino through the Fermata protocol. I use Fermata device to connect to the board and pin to read from the soil moisture sensor and control the water pump. The OLED screen is managed using the SSD1306 class, also from Fermata 4J, and connected via L2C. It displays real-time moisture readings and status messages. Finally, I use JFreeChart to plot live data on a graph. Everything updates every second. If the soil is too dry, the pump turns on automatically. It's a simple hands-free solution